Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to show you this fresh trade that we just took in. It's a 2012 Boston Whaler 370 Outrage with a tower. It's powered with 300 Mercury Verados. It's got a bow thruster, beautiful blue painted hull sides. Let's step aboard and show you what she looks like. All right, we're inside the cockpit of the 370 Outrage. Notice the aft bench seat is folded down, upholstery in immaculate, pristine, like new condition. We do have an aft live wall, as well as a port side entry door and dive door, very close to the water. So when I open this up here, you'll see we're only a few inches from the water, which makes bringing in a fish or snorkeling, diving with your gear very easy to get back into the boat. Got the summer kitchen and bait prep station right here for your convenience. We have another live well, so if you like to run multiple baits, the boat can do it easily. Also got a hot and cold water freshwater sink and an electric grill. Plenty of storage in the cabinets for all your tackle and accessories. And then large in-floor fish box hatches on port and starboard side, so when you catch that big sail, that big mahi, the wahoo, they'll definitely fit in this boat. Moving forward, you'll see we have JL audio system here with a subwoofer, speakers in the hard top, forward and aft, outriggers, full covers for all the seats. I love how we have the grill on the refrigerator right here. I apologize, under the helm seat, so if you're in offshore conditions, you want to go grab yourself a drink, you don't have to travel too far. Right here in the cockpit. When we lift this up here, you'll see the helm, two large Raymarine screens. It's got radar, autopilot, fish finder, GPS, everything you need for a day on the water. Super easy to dock with the bow thrusting system. Again, it's all digital throttle, digital shift and controls. Work our way forward. You'll notice all the hardware is in pristine condition. Fold out trolling seats, which is a great option to run your lines, or if you have some kids that will just want to sit in the shade. Protected under the hard top, they're there. Then coming forward, we got the double wide sun chaise lounge, flip down armrest. Really comfortable place to spend the afternoon. We've got a beautiful sunny afternoon here in Pompano. And then forward, we do have a table that actuates on an electric motor, so you can dine or fill this in. There's cushions all the way around. We'll make it another sun pad. Plenty of fishing rod storage everywhere. Controls at the helm. Let's go and show you the cabin of this boat. So if you're all afternoon tuckered out, you want to throw the kids down there in the air conditioning, you can throw the air conditioning on and get out of the sun, take a nap, go to the Bahamas, spend the weekend on the boat. You'll see here all these white curtains, full isinglass enclosure for the cockpit helm area, covers for the seats forward and aft, flat screen television, another refrigerated drawer down here, so if you're in the middle of the night and you get thirsty or hungry, you do not have to get up and go outside to get a drink. Looking at, we do have the vacuum flush toilet and shower. And then upstairs we do have full controls in the tower. Comfortable double wide seat up there. Nice top, LED lights, GPS. Boat is ready to go, 650 hours. Give me a call. Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.